In a quiet moment one morning, I sat down and began writing about the life I wanted. I scribbled down my dreams, my desires, and the kind of person I wished to become. I wasn't sure if it would work, but I kept at it. Slowly, things began to change. Opportunities I had only dreamed of started coming my way, and I felt more aligned with my goals each day. I realized the power of my words and thoughts in shaping my reality, and by the end of this video, you'll understand how to create a life you truly desire, like it did for me. Many of our viewers haven't subscribed yet. We'd like to invite you to subscribe to this channel. It's completely free for you, but it means everything to us.
The power to shape our reality lies within us, and by writing down our dreams and desires, we can bring them to life. When we align our thoughts and intentions with our goals, we create a powerful force that the universe responds to. Start each day by setting aside a few minutes to write down what you want to achieve. Be specific and clear about your intentions. As you do this consistently, you'll notice shifts in your life. Opportunities will arise, and you'll feel more in tune with your aspirations. We'll explore practical steps and techniques to help you harness this power. You'll learn how to craft effective affirmations, maintain a positive mindset, and take inspired actions toward your goals. To support your journey, we'll look into the importance of daily affirmations and how they can rewire your subconscious mind. By nurturing positive thoughts and self-belief, you can overcome challenges and unlock your potential. To begin harnessing the power of your words and thoughts, it's essential to create a daily routine. Each morning, find a quiet space where you can focus without distractions. Bring a notebook or journal and dedicate a few minutes to writing. This practice sets the tone for your day and aligns your mind with your goals. When writing down your desires, be specific. Instead of vague statements, detail what you truly want. For example, instead of writing, "I want to be successful," specify what success means to you. It could be, "I want to achieve a promotion at work within the next 6 months," or "I want to build a thriving online business that brings joy and financial stability." Visualize your goals as if they are already happening. Feel the emotions associated with achieving these goals. This mental practice strengthens your intentions and creates a powerful connection between your mind and the universe. By consistently focusing on your desires, you reinforce your commitment to them. Effective affirmations are a key component of this process. Affirmations are positive statements that help you overcome negative thoughts and self-doubt. To craft effective affirmations, start with the phrase, "I am," or "I have." These phrases assert that what you desire is already part of your reality. For instance, "I am confident and capable in my career," or "I have the creativity and determination to achieve my goals." Keep your affirmations short and to the point. This makes them easier to recall and repeat throughout the day. Consistency is crucial, so make a habit of saying your affirmations every morning and evening. Repetition helps embed these positive statements into your subconscious mind, replacing any limiting beliefs with empowering ones. As you write and repeat your affirmations, pay attention to your emotions. Genuine belief and positive feelings amplify the power of your words. If you encounter resistance or doubt, gently remind yourself that change takes time and persistence. Trust in the process and stay committed to your practice. Another practical step is to create a vision board. Gather images and words that represent your goals and aspirations. Arrange them on a board or digital canvas where you can see them daily. This visual representation keeps your dreams at the forefront of your mind, reinforcing your intentions and motivating you to take action. In addition to writing and affirmations, taking inspired action is vital. Break down your goals into manageable steps and create a plan to achieve them. Each day, take at least one small action that moves you closer to your desired outcome. These actions, no matter how minor they seem, build momentum and bring your dreams closer to reality. Surround yourself with positivity. Engage in activities and spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Positive influences help maintain a hopeful outlook and encourage you to stay focused on your goals. When challenges arise, view them as opportunities for growth and learning. This shift in perspective allows you to navigate obstacles with resilience and determination. Practicing gratitude is another powerful technique. Each day, write down a few things you are grateful for. This practice shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have, fostering a sense of abundance and contentment. Gratitude opens your heart and mind to receive more of the good things life has to offer. Meditation can also enhance your manifestation efforts. Spend a few minutes each day in quiet reflection, focusing on your breath and clearing your mind of distractions. This practice helps reduce stress and anxiety, allowing you to connect more deeply with your inner self and your intentions. It's important to celebrate your progress along the way. Acknowledge and appreciate the small victories and milestones you achieve. This positive reinforcement boosts your confidence and motivates you to keep moving forward. Recall that every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Lastly, maintain patience and persistence. Manifestation is not an overnight process. It requires time and dedication. Trust that the universe is working in your favor and that your efforts will yield results. Keep your faith strong and stay committed to your practice. By incorporating these practical steps and techniques into your daily routine, you can harness the power of your words and thoughts to create the life you desire. Writing down your dreams, crafting effective affirmations, and taking inspired actions are powerful tools that can transform your reality. Daily affirmations hold significant power in shaping our subconscious mind. Our thoughts and beliefs influence our actions and outcomes. By repeating positive affirmations, we can shift our mindset, reprogram our subconscious, and create new neural pathways that support our goals and desires. When you start your day with affirmations, you set a positive tone for the day ahead. These statements act as mental cues, guiding your thoughts and actions towards your desired outcomes. Consistent repetition of affirmations helps replace negative, limiting beliefs with empowering, positive ones. This process doesn't just change how you think, it changes how you perceive and interact with the world. Affirmations work by harnessing the power of suggestion. Our subconscious mind is always listening, absorbing the messages we feed it. When we repeatedly tell ourselves that we are capable, worthy, and deserving, our subconscious begins to accept these statements as truth. This acceptance influences our behavior and decision-making, leading us to take actions that align with our affirmations. The effectiveness of affirmations is amplified when you truly believe in them. Initially, it might feel strange or even untrue to say these positive statements, especially if you're used to thinking negatively about yourself. However, with consistent practice, these affirmations begin to feel more natural. Over time, your mind starts to believe in the possibilities you are affirming, and you begin to see real changes in your life. To maximize the impact of your affirmations, combine them with visualization. When you repeat your affirmations, close your eyes and visualize yourself living out these statements. See yourself achieving your goals, feeling the emotion associated with success and fulfillment. This combination of positive words and vivid imagery creates a powerful message for your subconscious mind, reinforcing your intentions and making them more tangible. Another key aspect of effective affirmations is emotional involvement. When you repeat your affirmations, connect with the feelings they evoke. Feel the confidence, joy, and excitement, as if your affirmations have already come true. This emotional connection strengthens the impact of your words, making them more compelling and believable to your subconscious. It's also important to practice your affirmations regularly. Consistency is crucial in reprogramming your subconscious mind. Make affirmations a part of your daily routine, repeating them in the morning to start your day and in the evening before bed. This consistent practice helps to ingrain these positive beliefs deeply into your subconscious. Affirmations can also help you overcome self-doubt and fear. By reinforcing positive beliefs, you build a stronger sense of self-confidence and resilience. When faced with challenges, your affirmations can serve as a reminder of your capabilities and strengths, helping you navigate difficult situations with a more positive outlook. In addition to personal growth, affirmations can improve your relationships and interactions with others. By affirming your worth and capabilities, you cultivate a sense of inner peace and self-assurance. This positive energy can influence how you relate to others, fostering healthier, more fulfilling relationships. To create powerful affirmations, focus on the present tense and positive language. Instead of saying, "I will be successful," say, "I am successful." This phrasing reinforces the idea that you already possess these qualities and are living out your desires. Use clear, specific language that resonates with you personally, making your affirmations feel authentic and meaningful. Keep your affirmations visible throughout the day. Write them on sticky notes and place them where you'll see them often, such as on your bathroom mirror, computer monitor, or refrigerator. This constant exposure helps keep your affirmations top of mind, reinforcing their message and keeping you focused on your goals. Affirmations can also be a source of comfort and encouragement during difficult times. When you feel overwhelmed or discouraged, repeating your affirmations can help center your thoughts and remind you of your strengths and abilities. This practice can provide a sense of stability and hope, helping you to maintain a positive mindset even in challenging circumstances. Incorporating affirmations into your daily life is a simple yet powerful way to transform your mindset and achieve your goals. By consistently repeating positive statements, you can rewire your subconscious mind, replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones, and create a life that aligns with your deepest desires.
Think about the immense potential within you. The power to shape your reality is in your hands, starting with the words you choose to affirm each day. By consistently practicing affirmations, you can rewire your subconscious mind and open doors to opportunities you never thought possible. Let your words be the seeds of your future, and watch them grow into the life you've always dreamed of. Thank you for being with us today. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue this journey with us, please like and subscribe. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring you more insights and inspiration. Until next time, keep believing in the power of your words.